Really? You still see the line?
Oh, it's way out there. Yeah, look, there it is right there. Oh my God!
Oh my gosh!
That's it, right back there. Look at
You see it? Oh my gosh! All the way over there!
Yeah, I did. He goes for a good time. All right.
I'm still... Yeah, I think it's still say the winner! It's going fast! Excuse me. Oh, a tank war.
Tank war!
Tank war. I think the one on the left will win.
Tank war!
You won't hear me talking like these guys, that's for sure. Where are you shooting that thing? The last one was kind of a dud.
It was looking good, man.
Whoa!
You point that at me. I'm gonna get mine. I'm done. I'm gonna start drinking more.
Right? Oh, more drinking that I am definitely not getting involved with. What's next? What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, only one way to find out. Oh, shoot. Up close and personal. Whoa! Still see the sparks. Oh, wow. The ashes. It can fly! Found it.
Zach, man, what's up? Hit it. I fell off that thing? Yeah. All that went off? Touch.
Ow! Burn yourself. You really just jumped through that. Ow! The spark hit me in the arm again, I think.
Zach.
Hey, Mother, you hear what song they're playing over there? You hear what song they're playing over there?
No.
They're playing in my daughter's eye.
Damien, are you shooting it off now?
You guys are shooting it off now? Okay, Justin, just wait a second. We're see this and believe it.
Okay, in the next video, we'll be showing the grand finale.
Jimmy, I got given these.
Tons of dust.
Oh, they're hitting the grand finale?
Use these people's language. Use these people's language. But, oh, dude, I love